What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today we're going to be opening a brand new Hot Wheels monster truck, which is none other than one of my personal favorite trucks growing up, and that is none other than Bigfoot. Alright, so what's up, guys? As you guys do know by now, a new Bigfoot truck did get released for 2020, and before I start this review, I have to give a huge shout out to oh my god, West Coast Toy Mafia. Now, I always call these guys the wrong name. I don't know, I'm just used to customs and all that and everything. But yeah, this thing was on eBay for a little bit, and I'm pretty sure there was only 4 of them up there. Now, this truck was a bit, I don't want to say overpriced or whatever, but it is Bigfoot. The guy had 4, and I'm pretty sure Driver's Ed got one, maybe Monster Jam OCD, and I think maybe like 2 people from the collecting group, or 1 person from the collecting group. And when I saw this go up on eBay, I think within like maybe 3 minutes I brought it. So this thing is pretty cool. I really loved Bigfoot growing up. So to see these trucks made and to see that there is a die cast of them is really cool. Just like the nostalgia value of it is pretty cool, because I used to have the old Hot Wheels ones from like 1992 with Snakebite and Bigfoot. So it's pretty cool that these are coming back. So this is from case 3, or case 3, or case C, or whatever you guys want to call it. And on the back of the case here, I have yet to see any of these trucks in stores yet, but we only have, whoa, look at the camera. But we only have 3 of these trucks that are brand new, counting the Bigfoot truck. The only truck that's actually a brand new casting, and the new truck itself, is El Super Fasto, which is a pretty cool looking truck. I mean, I don't know. Some of these trucks do look weird for Hot Wheels, and I'll get into that in a minute. And the other new truck, at least new paint scheme wise, is 5 Alarm. Obviously, you guys know All Beefed Up is a huge peg warmer. Demo Derby, I've been seeing that on the pegs a lot. I haven't really seen Hot Wheels or the 70 Dodge Charger as much, and Dairy Delivery I hardly ever see, at least in New Jersey. So a couple of these trucks might be peg warmers when this does come out, but out of all these so far, I only seen Mix 2, I think once or twice, and obviously I haven't seen any of these. So looking at the packaging here, Bigfoot is number 21 out of 75, and if you look on the side here, which is pretty cool, it is Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Alive, and it's truck number 5 out of 6. Now, I do not know if we're going to see another Bigfoot this year. I kind of hope we do, because obviously Bigfoot's my favorite truck growing up and everything, but hopefully we'll see something cool. Hopefully we'll see like a Bigfoot 8 that's not like rare and going for $250 on eBay. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah, really cool truck right here. I don't know, I was gonna open this. I might not. You know what? It is Bigfoot, so I think I might just open it. This thing might be pretty rare. And the only thing I gotta say about Hot Wheels is I hate how like they do so many reprints of like different paint jobs on different castings or so, but no matter what, Bigfoot's always going to sell, and the selling point on this Bigfoot is that grill and that front end. So with all that being said, I'm going to open this thing up, and we're going to take a closer look at this Bigfoot. Alright, so the one thing I forgot to mention on this Bigfoot too, I do not know if this is the same packaging as the last Bigfoot, and by packaging I mean the facts. So yeah, the facts, I don't know if they're the same. I don't have an older Bigfoot from 2019 to compare it with, but if you guys want to take a look or read it, or just want me to read it, I'm just going to read it. Obviously named Bigfoot, truck type pickup, car crushing shocks is its strength, crash attack is the original stop, and the motivation is to always be groundbreaking. Now, I'm pretty sure on the Bigfoot 8 for last year, or the 2019 Bigfoot 8 that is like super rare, it has different facts, but I can't remember if the Bigfoot, which is this one right here, has the same or different. So, yeah. So, with that being said, let's crack this thing open. I really want to see what this thing looks like, and hopefully these will be in stores soon. I haven't seen any of these in Target or in Walmart's, but in Targets they have a lot of Mix 1 and Case 2 or Mix 2, whatever Hot Wheels calls it. But yeah, let's open this thing up. Alright, so very cool. This thing looks amazing, dude. So, right off the bat, when this thing is out of the package, the first thing you're going to see is that blue, original blue, sparkly Bigfoot paint. It is actually the same exact paint that is on the Bigfoot from last year, so same exact paint job. It has the sparkles in there, pretty cool looking. This Bigfoot's a little, seen better days, but pretty cool. So, I actually do not know what Bigfoot number this is. I think it might be Bigfoot number 19. I'm pretty sure this is the body style that they are going to be running on tour this year, or for 2020 with the Hot Wheels Monster Jam Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live, which is pretty cool. There is a show coming up in Trenton, New Jersey, so I might just maybe go there and check it out, see what it's all about. But yeah, other than that, inside the packaging you have these crush cars, which these things are pretty weird. I don't know, they're really, I don't think these, the actual crush cars we got last year and the crushable cars we got the year before, I think they're a lot better than this. This is very easy to break. They're really cheaply made. I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of these crush things for at least 2020. So let's move the little Bigfoot icon here. 21 out of 75, which, man, 75 trucks, that's a lot. So yeah, the first thing that I really want to look at is the front grilling. That's the first thing that jumps out at me, and it's pretty cool. So I'm pretty sure Monster Jam OCD had a video or a live stream, something like that, of where he said the headlights didn't match, and you can totally see that. Might be kind of hard to see on the camera, but you see the blue over the headlights. That kind of hurts, and I think it's done in the taillights as well. I mean, it's minor details like that, though, that, kind of turns me away from Hot Wheels. And to be honest, if this wasn't a Bigfoot truck, would I get it? I don't know. And if I wasn't collecting, would I have gotten it? I don't know. Probably not. The fact that it's Bigfoot and it's in this body style and casting is pretty cool. So growing up, there was a lot of Bigfoots in this body type. The one with the flames on it. The yellow one with the little side over here, or maybe I'll throw a picture in the video or something like that so you guys know what I'm talking about. But if this truck becomes a peg warmer, which I highly doubt, it might because it is Bigfoot, but it might not. This body casting could be a lot of good customs, especially with this grill. I really like how they put the 3D printing on there. You can easily tell you can make a lot of like Dodge trucks like Raminator or Barefoot or something with this casting. So that's pretty cool. I really love that blue paint. Another thing I really do love too is on the roof up here. This is actually a 3D print. So this is a little like bumps. I'm pretty sure the real truck has something like that. And wow, you can really see the the paint really shining. I think the white roll cage is a good touch, and I also think the chrome chassis is a nice touch as well. The rims, I'm not too big on the white. Maybe they should have gone with gray. But overall, it's a pretty nice looking truck. I love Bigfoot, so, I might be a little biased with it. But really cool truck. Really nice. That 3D printed grill definitely makes this truck, and that's half the reason why I got it. If this just would have been a reprint of the same truck we got, or we saw last year, I probably would have never gotten it. I mean, you can tell that, the same here, even though this one's kind of modeled after the first Bigfoot. But yeah, really cool. I like it. I really do like it. Now, I'm not too sure if they got all the logos and stickers right on that truck. I haven't seen the real truck. I think it was in a TV show called Crushing It, Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Crushing It or something like that. But really cool. I really do like this. This is definitely my favorite truck so far out of the 2020 set for the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. And I really can't wait to see what else they have in store for us, because 75 trucks, they already released, 21? that we know of, or, well, the ones after Bigfoots are like 25. They have 50 trucks left, and I'm really hoping they have more Bigfoots. It'd be cool if they threw like a retro snakebite or something in there, or like Wildfoot or Power Wheels Bigfoot would be amazing, but I'm not gonna count on it. And hopefully, you know, we can get the other Bigfoot truck that got released here, the one that's $250 at some point. But one day, hopefully, I can find that. But yeah, if you guys see this thing in stores, I would highly recommend picking it up. I do like the added touch on the front here that says Bigfoot on the hood. Really cool truck, really cool. But yeah, it's gonna wrap it up for this review. Hopefully, you guys will find this pretty shortly. Really cool truck. God, I love that grill. But yeah. So drop a like. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys find this on eBay, I only seen it once on eBay and it sold out within like an hour. But then again, there was only like 4 of them up there. But yeah, let me know if you plan on getting it. If you're a fan of Bigfoot, or if you guys are just gonna get this because Hot Wheels likes to rinse and repeat their designs apparently. But yeah, guys. With that being said, I will see you guys in another video very shortly.